Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm making the lava chicken from the Minecraft movie.
For this recipe, we need garlic powder, Chef Prince's Special Kelly Hot Barbecue Sauce, cayenne pepper, chili powder, paprika, onion powder, key lime juice, brown sugar, and a whole chicken. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now grab a bowl and pour in 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of key lime juice, 1/4 cup of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and mix it well and make sure to get all over the chicken. Then let it marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours.
Alright guys, we're back, and now it's time to bake this bad boy in the oven. Alright, before we bake in the oven, I got the Kelly hot sauce from Chef Prince. Alright. Alright. Here it is. The moment of truth. Yeah, now this is really gonna make it really hot and spicy. Yeah, I remember I tried Chef Prince's sauces like a couple weeks ago, and this sauce was so spicy. Alright, time to throw this thing in the sink. Bam. Look at this. Okay, now it's time to put this in the oven. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna put this in the oven for about an hour and 40 minutes. Alright, see you guys in an hour and 40 minutes.
Also, be sure to add some extra sauce once done baking. If you're wondering how to say lava chicken in Spanish, it's pollo de lava. Alright, the lava chicken is done. I'm gonna try it now and I won't cap. Oh my goodness, this lava chicken is the bomb. I was expecting it to be really spicy. I didn't watch the Minecraft movie yet, but I know in the movie Steve said that this was gonna be really spicy. Honestly, this chicken right here is sweet and spicy at the same time. The sauce makes a little bit of a difference, but with or without the sauce, this chicken is cooked perfectly and is still juicy. But the one thing I still find crazy to believe is that Minecraft is 13 years old and they just now made a movie about it. In my opinion, if they wanted to make a Minecraft movie so bad, they should have made one a long time ago. I remember back then, we would always have sleepovers with friends and play Minecraft all night.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.